Sun, sea and sand, I'd like to wish you luck as your horizons now expand. It's time to say adios, although I'd really rather say, come let's share this joy, cause we'll meet again someday. Respected dignitaries on the dais, off the dais, parents and the graduating students of the year 2011. A pleasant evening to one and all. As we approach a few remaining days in this campus and prepare to venture into the world out there, I would like you to take a few minutes to look around of you, ahead, beside and behind. Each of these views that you see demands some things from you. Let us go back 2 years from now. We all came together from various backgrounds, new faces, new hopes, new aspirations. We were confused in the beginning, things seemed strange, and we never knew we could all gel up so well to complete 2 years of our education in this college successfully. As MSW class of 2011, we had our own challenges, fights among ourselves, some little misunderstandings, some gloomy moments. But we, as a class, have grown and matured together to keep aside all this and move ahead. In these 2 years, we have shared some special moments, which is going to be cherished by each and every one of us throughout our life. Like for example, our rural trip to Kongowara, which taught us the hardships of life, and of course, surviving there without toilets was one big thing we achieved. The innovative trip to Kerala, winning the overall championship trophy at Denovo Fest, the counseling sessions we had, and so much more to quote. We will be leaving our college soon, but these moments have become memories in our life to be remembered and cherished forever. Preparing for seminars, the organizational visits, deadlines for assignments, report submission at sharp 9 on Thursday mornings, struggling to complete 25 days of fieldwork in the agencies. When we look back at them 5 years down the line, I'm sure it will make us smile and say what days we had in our college. Teachers, people say, are the source of knowledge. It is they who impart knowledge in us and teach us how to face the challenges of the world outside. Firstly, I thank Reverend Father Joe Scutti, former principal of our college, for his constant support and love he showed towards the MSW department. Thank you, Father. I thank the faculty members of our department, Reverend Father Jose, Dr. Chandrasekhar, Professor Richard, and Professor Elsa, for the guidance and support throughout the course, and also the faculty members from various other departments who taught us. They have been a wonderful faculty, working hard for our benefit and shaping us into the person we are today. The methods might have been stern at times, but the impact they had is well noted by each student of our class. It's natural that all of us must be having mixed feelings while leaving this college. Some have already been placed in organizations. In a few months to come, each one of us will be busy in our own life. But at this very moment, I would like you all to look back at the last 2 years that we have spent here. While there might have been many things that could have been better, we shall always see Christu Jayanti College, our alma mater, as an institution that nurtured us to build a strong foundation for our career. We all do not know where each of us will land, but wherever we go, whatever we do, we shall always be a member of MSW class of 2011. I hope you all take pride in it and find a silver lining back of every cloud you see. And when things go wrong, at times you can always say, all's gonna be well. Wishing all the graduating students of the year 2011 all the very best for the future endeavors. Thank you.